Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and most compassionate. Today I want to talk about how can I create a GB or MB system in Hotspot for users. Step 1. Configure the LAN interface 10.0.0.1/8. Step 2. Set up DNS server setting on a Mikrotik router. Step 3. Select the firewall. Step 4. Configure DHCP server for Hotspot's user. And step 5. Route the IP. And step 6. And final check it for proof. Let's do it. Now I want to come to my GNS tree for practical working. Before everything else, I want to select the cloud and select the GNS3 turn number, and also I want to select Mikrotik, and after I want to select desktop and also Firefox for proving the internet, and after I want to use straight cable for connectivity. I want to select Ethernet 2 with the Ethernet 3, and now I want to I forget my switch. I want to bring the switch for Ethernet 3, Ethernet 2. I want to use Ethernet 2, and now I want to give also the user give a port to this computer and also to this web browser, and after I want to design the topology. Now I want to show the ports. Now and after I want to come to the winbox. Now I want to again come to the Mikrotik router. It is all of the devices are off. Now I want to on that or shut down that or up that. Now I want to again select the console for Mikrotik is loading. You can see that the Mikrotik is loading. Now I want to click on that to give a new or repeat password, which is the default password is admin. Now I want to give it I want to check it. I want to enter the console port. I will give a password admin, and also the password is admin. Now I want to know that, and now I want to give a new password admin, and all passwords also admin. Repeat new password is also admin. And after I want to write IP address print. Maybe it will work. I want to check it. No, there is something else. I think there is something wrong. That's the way that it doesn't give the IP, or it doesn't show the IP. That will be the cause. That is something else that's wrong in the in the cloud. That's something else will be wrong in the cloud. I want to again give a this command IP print address. No, maybe this will not be the address, but I will give. I think it doesn't work. I think maybe there is something else in a cloud I want to uh, delete, or I want to check the internet. Yeah, internet is exists here. Now I want to delete the cloud. Maybe there is something else. Now I want to give a new cloud. Cloud is same like a router to give or something else, like to give internet to us for connection. Now I want to connect, choose the Ethernet one. Now I want to check it. Maybe it will give to me the, I want to turn off the Mikrotik. Now I want to again start the Mikrotik. I will check now. And now I want to check it. The Mikrotik is loading. I will click no. I want to give a password admin, or writing password is also admin. Yeah, now I want to again give a password admin, or login password or repeat password is also I think admin. Yeah, now I want to write the command IP address string to see that which IP will give to me. Yeah, you can see that this router is give to me a IP, or cloud give to me a IP 192.168.43.108. I want to give a password admin. The default password is admin. You can give a password by your choice. Now I want to directly enter to the IP addresses to give our IP address to lane, which is 10.0.0.1/8 for Ethernet 2. I want to switch that in the here Ethernet 2. Yeah, you must give this IP to the Ethernet 2. And after I want to enter to the DNS to select the DNS, which is 8.8.8. And now I want to apply or OK it. And after I want to enter to firewall to select the firewall net, or select action, or select masquerade. And after I want to exit, apply or OK it. And after I want to exit from it, and I want to enter to the route. I want to give again a route for checking 192. I think the IP will be 192.168.43.0. I think 43.0, but now yeah, 43.0. But now I want to give 43.0. 43.0. Now I want to check the gateway. Yeah, I want to apply or OK that. After I want to exit from it, and now I want to again enter to the, now I want to check it the internet, that is internet coming to my coming to the Mikrotik or not. You can see that internet is coming because packet is sending. Now I want to enter to the hotspot for creating a profile, some profiles for some users. Now I want to enter to user profile, and after I want to add that, I think 10 GB gigabyte. I want to select the pool. Why? I want to again, oh yeah, sorry, I forget the DHCP set. Now I want to running the DHCP setup. And after I want to again enter to the hotspot, and now I want to enter to user profile to select for some users 10 GB gigabyte. And now I want to select the pool, which is DHCP pool 0. After I want to apply or OK that. And now I want to create another profile, which is 100 GB gigabyte. 100 GB. And now I want to select the pool, apply, or OK that. And after that I want to enter to the users, and now I want to select or try some user, which is I want to give a name Jake. For the password I will give a same password because it's easy, Jake. And now I want to select the profile, 10 GB. Yeah, I want to apply, or I want to enter the limits to select the to limit the internet bandwidth, 10 GB. Yeah, I want to apply, or OK that. After I want to again enter to or add another user, Jake1. Yeah, and password is also Jake1. And after I want to select the profile 100 GB, apply. I want to limit 100 GB and apply GB. Now I want to apply or OK that. And after that I want to run the hotspot setup for Ethernet 2. I want to oh, I forget the DNS name. I want to again. Maybe it will doesn't work. It will not work. Yeah, you can see it will not work. Now I want to again enter to hotspot setup. Now I want to use for one Ethernet 2. Now I want to next that and give a password DNS name jake.com. Now I want to next that. OK that. After I want to exit from. Now I want to check it the internet availability. I want to, before everything is, I want to enter to edit config. And after that I want to select that. Now I want to start it. Maybe there is something else that went wrong. Now I want to stop that. And I want to interpret it. Maybe something else will forget from me, hash or anything else. Now I want to start again, and maybe, but maybe there is something else. There is something else maybe wrong. If I check or ping the gateway, maybe it will not give me the response. Responding. Maybe there is something else that I forget in the edit config. I don't know that where is the problem, but I will solve that. Give me a time and stay with me. I will, inshallah, I will try it to check it that. Still it doesn't work. I will leave it at. Now I want to leave it at. I want to enter to the web browser. I want to stop that and enter to edit config. Now I want to select the skip or clear the hash from auto Ethernet 0 in interface Ethernet 0 interface. Now I want to start. I want to enter the console, and after I want to enter to I already entered to the page of Mozilla Firefox. Now I want to give the DNS name jake.com. I want to OK that. After I want to write jake.com. Yeah, you can see maybe the Mikrotik login page will open for me, for my user. I want to use my You want to give the username Jack1, or the password is also same, Jack1. Jack1. Now I want to connect that. You can see it. My first user will log into the first package, which is IP is 10.255.255.2522. Now you can see it. The proof is also absolutely or completely perfect. Now I want to enter to the IP or enter to the hotspot to see it is my user is active or not. Users, now I want to enter to active. You can see it. My first user is active Jack1. You can see it that everything is absolutely or completely get running on with it. But now I want to try it in a desktop computer. That way it doesn't work. Maybe I forget something else. That's the way that the PC, when it doesn't work. Now I want to check it again. I want to clear the first hash in another hash, and another hash is also and after I want to save that. Now I want to check it. Start or cancel Dora. Maybe it will not give a correct response. Maybe there is something else wrong. Re-again. I think I want to clear something else more. I want to clear this another hash, final hash. Now I want to start that. Yeah, start or check it that. Cancel. Dora. There is something else that give me the checking for duplicate IP addresses. These are something else that I forget it, but I will do that, inshallah. I will do that. Give me a time and stay with me, and inshallah I will do that. I believe in Allah. Inshallah I will check it that. I want to I will use another computer, and now I want to edit enter to the edit config to edit that. Now I want to clear the hash from this part and also from this part. Now I want to save it that, and now I want to start my PC too, and I want to enter to the console board. Yeah, I will check it the my gateway 10.0.0.1. You can see it. You can see that my I can ping my gateway. Now I want to ping the DNS server 8.8.8. Yes, yeah, it's also thing. Thank you so much from your watching, or thank you so much from your motivation. Please subscribe or like or follow my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.